As we are seeing today, a virus outbreak can be devastating for any organization. Your education facility is in lockdown, causing a major interruption in student learning. And throughout your facility, hundreds of hard-to-cover surfaces could be embedded with pathogens that cause and can contribute to the spread of illness. Parents and teachers want our schools to be places where young minds grow and learn, not where illness-causing bacteria and COVID virus can spread. It's difficult to get these surfaces to disinfect with the traditional methods, like spray cans, trigger sprays, and mops. To secure student safety for back to school, and to properly kill viruses surely and truly, you need a game changer. The Virus Assassins using an electrostatic disinfectant sprayer. We offer an extremely effective way to help stop the spread of pathogens that can cause infectious diseases and help keep your school healthy. Our disinfectant provides superior spray technology that covers all surfaces and will kill any virus that comes near the surface instantly. We will kill the germs in your school and have it ready for back to school. Call us now. Virus Assassins will take care of you, your students, and your school.